Okay, question 7. The equation this has roots alpha, beta, and alpha plus beta. Given that alpha, beta equals this, find the value of k. So this is a sum of and product of roots question to begin with. And we know that the sum of the roots, so these are the roots, the sum of the roots, alpha plus beta plus alpha plus beta, this is the sum of the roots. That's right, sum. The sum of the roots equals, well, again, let me get my formula booklet out. This is the formulae, or the formula for the sum of the product of roots of a polynomial. It's a little bit annoying. I'm not going to go through it in detail here, but the way it's written out. But if you don't have your head around this yet, do it. Make sure you figure out, you understand what's going on here, because I've done a video on it. Because it's not difficult, but it takes you a while just to figure out exactly what they're saying. But basically, the sum of the roots is minus this over this. So the coefficient of x cubed is obviously 1. So the sum is negative minus k. So it's negative this one over the first one, over 1 if you like, which is obviously just k. So I'll just simplify this. 2 alpha plus 2 beta equals k. And if you want, I can do alpha plus beta equals k over 2. Okay, the product of the roots is alpha times beta times alpha plus beta. Now just be careful, guys. The roots aren't alpha, well, they're not just alpha and beta. It's alpha, beta, and alpha plus beta. So this, the product of the roots is this times this times this, this times this times this. And this equals this over 1, and it's, again, a little bit confusing. It's negative if it's a polynomial of odd degree, which in this case it is because it's degree 3, and it's even, or it's positive if it's a polynomial of even degree. So it's in this example, it's going to be negative. So it's going to be minus 3k, again over 1 if you like, because it's over this. Okay, and I'll leave that how it is, because I can now use this that it's given. It says, given that alpha beta equals minus k squared over 4. Fine, I'm going to put minus k squared over 4 there. Alpha plus beta, I've just got it here in terms of k. It's k over 2. K over 2. And this is all equal to negative 3k. Now it says k is bigger than 0, so I can divide both sides by k. I'm allowed to do that because I know k is not equal to 0. I can multiply both sides by, by negative 1 if you like. So I have k squared over 8 is equal to 3. 8 because 4 times 2 is 8. K squared equals 24, and k is equal to the square root of 24. That's fine, but you can write this as, if you like, over here, k is equal to root 4 times root 4 times root 6. 6 times 4 is 24, which is 2 times root 6, if they want it in that form. Both of these, though, would be correct. Okay, that's question 7.